Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Kele Kitchen. Yes, what do we have in today's menu? I call it flour plus butter minus egg snacks. So if you have a name for these delicious snacks, please can you drop it in the comment section. As you can see, it's all looking good. And I will show you how we achieve these delicious snacks. We have here water. After, you are going to boil it, add some sugar to it, then add some sliced lemon. We are going to use this lemon sugar mix to garnish these very snacks towards the end. So stay tight. If you are still watching and this is your first time, this is Kele Kitchen. I would like you to subscribe to our channel. Put on the notification button so that you can receive notification whenever we upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. You mean so much to me. This is an easy homemade recipe snack that your family gonna love. And in the description box, you will see all the list of the ingredients you will use to make these delicious snacks. Like I said before, if you have a name, please write the name of these snacks in the comment section. Yeah, as you can see, we have added water, added butter, the sugar, we have added some sauce and our vanilla flavor. So you bring it to a boil on a medium heat. After then, you can add the flour. Immediately you add the flour, you turn off the heat and start mixing. Mix. Yeah. After the mixing, you allow the dough to cool down a little, massage it a little and fold it. Put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Yeah, please let us know from where you are watching this video from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. And our shout out for today goes to Fair and Lovely, watching all the way from the city of Abuja, Nigeria. And our shout out again goes to Fred Don. Thank you for watching our video. And another shout out goes to the Undiluted World TV, watching all the way from the Netherlands. Thank you. Please write and tell us where you're watching from so that we can give you shout out in our next video. So here we are. After 10 minutes, our dough is ready to be cut. So we are going to slice it into some pieces and then we are going to start shaping it into our desired shape. In case if you don't have this mold that I'm using, feel free to cut these delicious snacks into any size or shape of your choice. Just use anything you have at your home to achieve any shape or any form. So but if you have this, you can make this very one and your family is gonna love it. As you can see, we are cutting it and shaping it and we are good to go. After then, we are going to fry. If you are still watching up to this moment, I would like you to type on the comment section delicious snacks. Yeah, delicious snacks. As you can see, it's looking good. Yes. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. If you have not liked this video up to this moment, what are you waiting? Just click on the like button, share our video and comments because your comment means so much to us. If you are also watching till this moment, subscribe to our channel. Yes, as you can see now, it's time to fry it on a medium heat and until it is golden brown, then you are good to go. Yes, here we are. The snacks is ready. As you can see, it's looking good, golden brown. And after now, we are going to dip it in our lemon sugar juice to give it an extra taste. So repeat the remaining snacks. This is the second batch. Repeat it and after then you will garnish it and then you are good to go. And if you are still watching up to this moment, I would like you to type delicious snacks on the comment section. As you can see, the lemon water sugar is ready, so we now add the first batch of the snacks. Immediately you remove it so that it will not soak. So I divided the snacks into two because I decided to experiment the one with lemon water and the one without. So let me know in the comment section the one you like, whether you like to dip it inside the lemon water or just to eat it like that. And after the experiment, my children, they prefer the one without the lemon. Yes, they don't like sour taste, but for an adult will like that of the lemon. So let me know in the comment section the one you like, with lemon or without. Thank you very much. This is the end of this video. As you can see, the whole snacks is looking good, and stay tight. Like I told you, you can shape it in different shape. This is the one I cut in another shape. So stay tight, and we will see you in our next video. Like our video, share our video, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.